Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. Why heal ACEs, adverse childhood experiences? Why go back to awful things that happened when you were a kid? I mean, that was a long time ago, right? Why not just focus on what you want, what you're doing right now, and forget about it? Sadly, as the Jesuits say, give me a child up to the age of 7 and I'll show you the man. We're in a state of like hypnotic trance up till the age of 7, and we're just soaking things in about our culture, our family, who we are, the meaning of our life, and how we fit into our family and our world. We're just soaking in so much. We're in an altered brain state. And if you think about your life up through the age of 7, there are probably some things that happened that weren't so pretty. At least that's how it is for most of us. There are things that happened that influenced us. Those influences remain in our subconscious mind and keep telling us forever, for the rest of our lives, unless we do something like TAT, who we are, how we fit in, our value, if we're lovable or not, if we can connect with people we care about or not, if we're worth taking care of or not. Those influences remain in our subconscious mind and constantly influence us. And when we're grown up and we're trying to do something like connect with someone that looks interesting, ask someone out for a date, make friends, present ourselves well for a new job, get something done, all of those influences are constantly, nonstop, telling us things that hold us back, make it difficult. So we are constantly fighting ourselves. And you just can't budge ahead when that is going on. You want to move ahead and something else is saying, no, you're not lovable. No one wants you. You're not worth feeding to. You're not worth listening to. All this stuff makes life so tough. So that's why it's worth healing those things. And with TAT, it's like almost nothing to go through the process. You don't have to re-feel it, relive it, experience any emotion at all. And you can get totally done with something. So I think it's really worth it. And there you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.